What do you want to see?
I want
to see the tower with the yellow
There's a square behind.
maybe let's not. Down the story that says sign. What's the emo black building?
Yeah, I don't know.
So where's the natural
It is quite far west. It's near where my work is. Yeah, quite west. Yeah.
As you face the river, the first bridge to your right is the Hungerford Bridge. It's a Victorian railway bridge that connects Waterloo Station on the east side of the river to Charing Cross Station on the west. Then often referred to as the Ladies' Bridge, as it was built during World War II. And while many men were away fighting, the majority of the workforce that built this bridge was female. Good going, ladies. It connects to the Savoy Hotel on the left, the square building with the dark green roof and the flagpole in the middle. Over the years, the Savoy has had a lot of famous guests. From Frank Wayne. He went on to create his own chain, the Ritz Hotels.
We'll be halfway. I'm thinking not far off halfway. Halfway off anyway.
Yeah, we're not that big.
I'm thinking not far off halfway. Halfway off anyway.
Yeah, we're not that big.
That's beautiful.